Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Karnataka bank account. Firstly, launch your web browser on your computer or mobile device. In the address bar, type karnatakabank.com and press enter. You will be directed to the official homepage of Karnataka Bank. On the top right corner of the homepage, you'll see a login button. Hover your mouse over it and the drop-down menu will appear. From the drop-down menu, select type of account you want to log in, like personal, corporate, etc. On the login page, you will see fields to enter your user ID and a CAPTCHA code. After entering your user ID, click the login button. You will be prompted to confirm that this is your account. Type in your password, and you can also choose where you want to be directed after logging in by selecting from the drop-down menu. Finally, click the login button again to access your Karnataka bank account. And that's it, guys. You've successfully logged into your Karnataka bank account. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.